Hey guys, Dylan here. We got the 14K white gold braided lab diamond hoop earrings from James Allen, and I wanted to make a video to show you guys what these things actually look like in real life versus the website. Now, if we take a look at the website, and I'll have a link to this page down in the video description if you guys want to check it out, they cost $1,440. They do go on sale from time to time. Right now, they're currently on sale for $1,080. And the ones that you're looking at in this video are 14K white gold and 1 total carat weight. Now, I like the design of these, and if you take a look at them on the model, you can see that they're kind of like a small to medium size hoop, which is quite nice. And if you turn the earring sideways, you can see the little braided design for the prongs that are holding in each one of those diamonds. Nice little intricate details. I really, really like it. Now, in terms of the packaging and the unboxing, these come in the same nice James Allen packaging that comes with any of their engagement rings. The packaging actually has a little protective sleeve, and then from there, if you open up that little magnetic door there on the front, that's going to reveal the earring box there front and center with their red signature James Allen box. So you get a really nice presentation. So if you're giving these as a gift, it's a really nice presentation, and it comes with a great little box to hold the earrings, which I like a lot. Now, these are the 1 total carat weight size for these braided hoop earrings. I also have the 2 carat weight size, and I'll put them side by side here on the screen. And you can see that, yes, the 2 carat weight size is quite a bit bigger, so it's a little bit more of a bold look, but I think the 1 carat weight size has tons of sparkle. It's going to look really, really nice, and it's a little bit more of a subtle design and a subtle look. So it really depends on what you prefer. Both look amazing, but I quite like the 1 carat weight size. I think it just fits very nicely. Now, the only other thing I wanted to show you on these is the post and backing system. So there's actually a little hinge in the hoop earring itself, and the earring breaks apart, which reveals the post. You can stick that through your ear, and then the earring just simply clicks back together to give you a nice little secure connection. So this is really nice because you don't have to worry about losing like the separate little backing piece. So I like this design a lot. So let me know what you guys think about these hoop earrings down in the comments below. Do you like the 1 carat or the 2 carat weight size? And also let me know, do you like the white gold, or would you go with yellow gold or rose gold instead? I'd love to know your opinions on these. And like I said, I'll have a link to these down in the video description on James Allen's website if you guys want to check them out. Thank you for watching. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button if this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one.